Hey there, demons. It's me, your boy. Friends murder each other all the time. You know, it happens. How you doing?
I'm so happy right now.
You didn't throw up or anything, though?
I
found cookies.
Anybody here that was here before this house was built?
Tell us your name. Apple Tater? I took an improv comedy class once because I'm a white guy. Demon?
Stop calling it that.
Demon!
Stop it. Stop talking to it.
If you don't like us, turn it on.
Please don't turn it on. Please don't. Ah!
You want to lay on the pentagram?
Here we go. You're out of your mind.
Is there anybody in here with me right now?
Gin, ma'am.
Ignore my tall, idiotic counterpart.
I need me gin. Hey, ghouls. The boys are here. Goat man, I'm dancing on your bridge. It's my bridge now.
Holy shit.
You hear that? If you want me off this bridge, you're gonna have to kill me. That is quite a reaction.
My name is Ryan, and I'm here to say we're the baddest ghost hunters in the USA. Hunting demons and ghouls, too. What? Wait, hold on. We actually got a response. Stop beatboxing.
Demons!
I'm not.
Turn the light off!
Fucking shut up.
Demons! Plunge us into darkness with you! Demons!
Oh my God.
Ryan? Hope he's doing fine. Probably not.
Several bad choices have led me to this moment.
Earhart was said to be 5'7" or 5'8".
That's like a foot taller than you.
I knew you were gonna say that.
I'm one of the stupidest people to ever walk the earth, and I made it up your staircase.
Yeah.
He's even dumber than me.
That's not... How dare you?